Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. We've arrived in Busteni. This is one of the most beautiful resorts from the National Road 1, from Valea Prahovei, but the next one, yeah, let me close that because it's a spam. The next one, Sinaia, is the most expensive one, but here, when it comes to the beauty of the mountains, Busteni takes the crown. But the fact that here I don't know who has to take care of this. Maybe it's not the fault of the mayor. The guys from the bridges and the roads, or roads and bridges in my country, must take care of this, and they simply don't want to. We have at least 7 crosswalks in about 2 kilometers. 7 crosswalks. Maybe you'll say, man, but in 2 kilometers it's not much. Yes, it is. When you have this sort of traffic right here, all of them should be underground or above ground, so with a bridge. There are a few passing spots like this, but they are clearly not enough, because as you see, we have to stay and wait for people to cross from one side to another. And the police must be there to be sure that no accidents happen. This slows down the traffic even more, and yeah, that's how we get this entire traffic jam. That can spread way back until Preda. Again, I will try to show you how beautiful the sights are here. Hopefully it shows well. Man, how much I went by train, especially in my college years. Jeez. So these are the bridges I was talking about. I think there are only 2 or 3 of them, when they should put them all over this this mountain resort. And here again, a view with the mountain. And that second crosswalk bridge for the pedestrians. And I don't know, I think this one is the last one. Maybe there is one more there, but I'm not sure. But as soon as we will exit Busteni, you'll see the flow will be way better. You see, here it is. So another crosswalk. We gotta wait for this puber to cross like he was in a park walk. There is another crosswalk. Just the way things are. You can imagine when you, even as a driver, when you know there is a crosswalk next to you, you drive differently, way slower, because you expect a person to jump in front of your car anytime. But yeah, I don't know if it will get better, maybe only worse. Thank you so much for watching, guys, for staying with me in Busteni. I wish you all the best, and next we will have the crown jewel of Valea Prahovei, Sinaia. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.